actually in classics. Cool car, cool story. Let's check this one out and I'll kind of tell you the history of this car. 1965 Ford Country Sedan Wagon. Now, this particular car, original mile car, in the same family since new. A gal owns it now, brought it to us in consignment, decided to part ways with it. It was given to her by her uncle. Her uncle bought this car new. Very, very original. I've been around the car. It looks like there's, if not all of it, but very much of it is original paint. It is an X-Code vintage burgundy. Original color. Interior looks all original. I'm going to show you that here in a little bit also. And that is a black vinyl 66 on the trim code, so it's the original color interior. Underneath the hood, 352 V8. That is paired up with a 3-speed manual, shifter on the column. Now, when I say much of this paint looks original, it does have its imperfections and it does show its age in areas, which is kind of the cool part about it. How it does have that almost survivor look, time capsule, if you will. Look at the chrome, headlight surrounds, bumper. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, the engine bay, check out the interior. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Now again, I said original miles. It's confirmed from the niece of the original owner. And when I get around to the driver's side, I'm going to show you the odometer. And you can check it out. We're going to check out the interior. Look at how straight that is. You can tell it hasn't had body work. Again, much of this car, if not all of it, appears to be original paint to me. Glass all in nice shape. Take a look at this interior. So the bench seats, all the buttons still on the seats, according to the previous owners. Has not been redone. You do have a little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath there just for monitoring oil pressure, temp, and what have you. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I want to show you a few things. There's a floor mat that was in the car. I took it out so you can see the carpeting. There's owner's manuals. There's some miscellaneous parts that are going to go with it. We've got a battery tie down, some oil filters, some headlights, miscellaneous hoses. I think there's a gasket set. Of course, a little cup holder and center console, but we're gonna have a little fun. This right here was in the car, kind of got a kick out of it. It's been a long time since I've seen something like this. Let me show you this. On our YouTube channel, go ahead, down in the comments. Know what that's for in this car? That's some ingenuity right there. I'm not gonna say what it is. Happen to be just old enough to probably have seen that before. What would that be used for in this car? All right, let's check out the back of it. Does not have the third row seat, FYI. It would be the spare tire underneath there. Of course, this handle right here folds out to roll up. This rear window. Hey, look at that, there I am. How cool is that? Now remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Phone number 507-386-1726. I guess this car was used for strictly kind of their vacation and summer driver. According to the niece that inherited it from her uncle. You do have paint showing a little age here too. Where the gas bill is at. Take a look at that luggage rack. Cool is that? Take a look at the back seat also. I just want to show you the condition of this. And again, you can see it in the pictures. I put the floor mats back in. You can see the pictures without the floor mats in our still pictures on our website. But just look at the condition of that. Same with the headliner. An original headliner in it. I have played around a little bit. AM radio works fine. Wipers work fine. Blower fan works. So this car is in good condition. Things function as it should. Get in it and drive. Now, here we go. Here's your miles. 25,817. And again, the same family owned it since new. Uncle had it from 65 to 2007. Niece inherited the car in 07. Decided to part ways with it to make somebody a cool car. Again, 3-speed on the column. Also, want to mention 3-speed on the column with overdrive. You do have an overdrive switch down here also. So it's a cruiser, no doubt about that. And original miles, less than 26,000. Look at that dash. Tell it wasn't stored outside. And again, radio works, wipers work, blower fan works. Look at the seating area, just free of rips, tears, really much wear it all. Don't forget about that little tool over there. Put it down in the comments what you think that was used for. Sounds like it should. 352 V8. Let's go ahead. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop the hood and check out the engine bay. I got something cool under there to show you too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Pretty stock looking engine bay. Take a look at this. How many times have you seen the paint stamps and your inspection stamp in that good of shape on a car that's 1965? Again, 352 V8 paired up with that 3-speed manual. Shifter on the column. Remember, paint does show its age a little bit. And we have that open door policy to third-party inspectors. You can't make it look at this one yourself. Feel free to send somebody to take a peek at this beauty. So make somebody a cool car. Don't think it's going to last long. 1965 Ford Country Sedan Wagon. Original mile. Same family owned since new. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call it or email.